Hello guys, and welcome back to our next lesson. In our previous lesson, I showed you how you can get your web hosting, and in this lesson I'm going to be showing you how we install WordPress on our web hosting. I'll also be showing you on how we can do some basic WordPress setup. Without wasting further time, let's jump right in. As you can see, I'm using the business web hosting package, and I've already hosted 12 websites right here. So to get started with your own website, click on websites right here. And from here, you go ahead and click on add website. Then choose WordPress because that is what we'll be using for our website. Next on this page is where you enter your login details for your WordPress website. In here, you choose the email address you want to use, and automatically the email address you use to register on Hostinga will be placed here for you. Next, I go ahead and enter in my password. Then I click on next. Now, what type of website do you want to build? Are you going to create an online store, blog, portfolio, business and services website, affiliate marketing site, or other? Take note, this is just a survey. For this demonstration, I'll just go ahead and click on create blank site. Remember, we have a free domain to register, so this is where you enter your domain name. So I'll just say Dikupages.com. If the domain is available for you to register, you'll see it as part of the list right here, and it will indicate free. Upon selecting it, you just go ahead and click on next to move to the next step. For this, I'll click on use temporary domain. And now WordPress is installing on my website. Now it is finished installing. I'm redirected to WordPress admin. From here, I'll go ahead and click on admin panel, which will open in a new tab, and I'll be redirected to the back end of my WordPress website. And now I've logged into the back end of my website. I can exit from here. The next thing I'm going to do is do some cleaning up. So I come over to plugins, and I'm going to go ahead and uninstall all these plugins. So I select all, bulk actions. First of all, I deactivate them, then I click on apply. Next, I select all again. However, I'm going to go ahead and untick Lightspeed cache. With this plugin, you'll be able to boost the speed of your website. I go over to bulk actions, delete, apply, OK, and they are gone. The next thing I do is go over to appearance. Here I have some themes right here. If I go to the front end of my website, at the moment this is the theme we are using. If I go to the back end and activate any of these themes, just hover, click on activate. I come back right here and refresh. This is how my website will now look like, and I'll be showing you how you can install the theme we are going to be using for this website. Since we are not going to be using these two themes, I'll just go ahead and take them off. I click on theme details, delete, OK, theme details, delete, OK, and now we are done. Next, let's go over to post. We don't need this post. I click on trash. The moment you install WordPress, you'll be given that post. I go over to the trash, and I go ahead and empty the trash. Next, I go over to pages. I have this page, I don't need it, I trash it. I go over to trash, then I empty trash. And now we are done with the basic cleanup. So that's it on how we install WordPress on our website and also do some basic setup of WordPress. You can click on the next lesson on your screen now to continue watching, or you can go ahead and check the playlist also on your screen. Keep watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.